Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are fit and sound at your home. Students, welcome you in science class or 5th standard. Students, in our previous video, we studied about the lesson number 6, solids, liquids and gases and also their properties. In this video, we are going to discuss about the topic of soluble and insoluble substances. You know that all the substances or maximum substances are dissolved in a liquid. So, but we call this property of these substances. This property is known as the solubility. So, the definition of the solubility is the property of a substance that dissolves in a liquid is called solubility. Students, there are two types of substances. The first is soluble and the second is insoluble substances. What is soluble substances? Soluble substances are those that dissolves in a liquid. Is known as soluble substances. For example, sugar in water, salt in water, etc. Now, second is insoluble substances. The substances that do not dissolve in a liquid is known as insoluble substances. For example, sand in water, soil in water, chalk powder in water, etc. Now, the next is solution. What is solution? The mixture of a solid or a gas in a liquid is known as solution. Solution is the mixture of solute and solvent. Okay. So, in other words, we can say that the solution has two parts, solute and solvent. So, what is solute? The substance that gets dissolved in a liquid is known as solute, and solute is in less amount. Okay, for example is sugar. Second is solvent, the substance in which the solute dissolves is known as solvent. Now, for example is water, and solvent is in more amount. Okay, for example, when you mix the sugar or salt in water, you can take the sugar in lesser amount like 1 or 2 spoons, and water is 1 glass, 1 bottle, 1 beaker, etc. and put this sugar in this water and mix the solution very well. After some time, sugar gets dissolved and you get a sweet water. Okay, so these are the examples of solution. Other example of solution is tea, lemon juice, milk, lassi, sharbat, etc. Now, miscible and immiscible liquids. Miscible liquids that mix well in water. For example, milk in water. And immiscible liquids that do not mix well in water is known as immiscible liquid. For example, oil in water. So students, today we will discuss about the solubility, soluble and insoluble substances, solution and their parts, that is solute and solvent, miscible and immiscible liquids. In next video, we will discuss our next topic. Thank you.